Hello, social media managers. Welcome to today's video. In this video today, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 AI tools that will make you rich as a social media manager. And when I say rich, this means these AI tools will also make your work faster, make it seamless, and make you have more time and make more money. Now, I know you must have been hearing AI will take your job. AI is the future of social media management. But trust me, that future is now. AI is in the present state to start taking your job. So it's really not like AI will take your job, but trust me, people using AI will take your job. Now, if you're ready to elevate yourself to become better as a social media manager, I'm sharing all of the tips and the tricks with you guys. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. The first AI tool that's going to make your work seamless, especially when it comes to content writing and you being able to prepare a very nice content calendar, is the ChatGPT. One thing you must know is that for every tool that has a pro, that has a premium, you want to pay, because you can't be stingy to yourself. Free courses are great, but the paid one have the most insights. The pro versions will help you do more. So if you're just limiting yourself to using just the free version of the ChatGPT tool, trust me, you are not getting enough of it. So I think it's just about $10 for you to get the pro version, and this is something that will make your content writing seamless, and you can tell it whatever you want it to do and it's going to just generate it for you. There are a lot of AI tools that can help you generate content, help you write, but trust me guys, ChatGPT is good to go. The second tool I want to introduce to you is called the InVideo AI. This is an amazing AI tool that I've just discovered that helps you script your videos. It helps you with voiceover. It helps you add the stock videos. It just makes everything seamless. And the most interesting thing about the app is that you can actually have it speak in your voice, speak in your tone. All you have to do is as well pay for Pro, and you'll be able to enjoy every benefit that comes with the InVideo app. This InVideo app is also an app that people on YouTube use to create AI videos, automate their channels, automate their TikTok accounts, and make a lot of money. Imagine you being able to create this kind of video for your clients and charge them separately, charge them differently for it. For those clients that don't want to show their face, for those clients that are shy, those clients that take a lot of time when recording voiceovers, just tell them this is the price for Pro. But because I'm the one also handling it for you, you don't have to tell them what tool you're using. I mean, that's our secret. That's between me and you. Don't tell them. Just tell them I can get it done. Pay me this. And you're becoming richer and richer. You're not even doing the job. I know how long it takes a video editor to put videos together. I edit my videos, but because I know how much time it takes, I had to get a video editor. Now imagine my video editor using AI tools, just crossing his hand, enjoying himself, getting paid, while the AI tool does the job. So the third one I want to introduce to you is the Canva app. I know you've heard it before. Like, Becky, what's that? I know you heard it before. Why are you paying for the Pro? Are you using the Canva magic feature? Guys, you need to be plugged into the AI system, because if you're not, you are far behind. People are moving. Right? The Canva magic feature is superb. I tried it out. Just describe what you want it to do and it generates the images, it generates the video, and poof, you are good to go. You can even get it to do animated videos or images for you, and then you are good to go. So if you're not paying for Canva Pro, you wouldn't go pay. I know some of you be doing some cunning things when it comes to pay for CapCut, pay for Canva. You're not going straight. You're not going direct. All right, the fourth AI tool you must have or you should try out as a social media manager is to help you during content scheduling, right? You want to use apps like Buffer. This helps you schedule your content, and I think they have like integrated AI tools that help you proofread your captions for you to know that your captions are written well or written nicely. If you want to know the last tool, this tool completely changed my life in 30 days. I'm going to be sharing it in the client attraction combo course. All you have to do is to read the description, join the wait list. I don't know when I'm going to be dropping this video, but if the course is out, you want to go grab it. I'm going to put in all of the details on the screen. Guys, in 2025, we are leveling up. We are scaling. We are making more money. We are not doing the regular. We are going to be working smarter and making more money, not hard work with no result. And that's one thing that I want for you, my social media managers. So make sure to click the subscribe button. Make make sure to grab the client attraction combo course. If you're new to social media management and want to understand all of the talks that we've been blabbing about, you want to go see this course where I spoke about all you need to know to become a social media manager. Now that you've known some of the AI tools that you can begin to use, one thing I want to tell you is for you not to abuse these tools. There are some do's and don'ts that you want to make sure that you're following. One is to make sure that you humanize your AI. Don't go all robotic, all generic, using the same terms without infusing your own personality and tone when writing, especially with ChatGPT. Two, with your videos, you don't want to use, audios and voices that sound too AI and then a lot of people are using. You want to try to infuse your own voice. Even if you're using the free version, at least use your own voice to make or just, repeat the same thing that InVideo says, because trust me, it gives you the script as well. So you can just use your video to, humanize it. And then you want to be ethical, you want to be friendly, you want to flow with your audience. Don't just be all AI. That's where you kill the juice. I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you're going to go check out this AI tools to see all of the beautiful things that you can get. There's so much more tools that I use to make more money. And I'm going to be sharing over 20 AI tools that can make your work seamless. Some are free, some are pro, but trust me, they're not as much or as expensive as you think they will be. And you're going to make your money like ASAP. Right back. Thank you for watching this video. My name remains Becky Jo, a retired social media manager who's currently redefining the business of social media management, and I'm here to help every social media manager get their awards, build their confidence, and earn more. Thank you for watching this video. I can't wait to see you in the next video.